Namaste everybody. Once again, welcome back to this channel. Kios. Karma is the only way to success. I am Master Saurabh. From today, I am going to upload a yoga series. I mean, 5 days twisting yoga challenge. There will be basic level, intermediate level, and advanced level postures. So you can improve yourself day by day with me, and it will help you to increase your spine flexibility, reduce belly fat, and most important is push you up to the next level. So you can perform advanced posture very easily and smoothly. Are you ready for this task? Well, yes. So take the mat, take the water bottle, and start with me. But before that, if you are new on this channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for further notification. So whenever I upload video, you can get the notification at once. And if you like short yoga video, or if you want me to shoot video according to your demand, so you can send me a message on Instagram or on my Facebook page. You can get the link on the description box, in the description box, or on the screen. So go and get it. So let's get started. Now, so you need 2 blocks and strap to help you thus grip the posture. Okay, so let's get into the practical lesson. First, sit in a comfortable pose and place your hands on your knee. Okay, first we will do praying and breathing exercise. So place your hands on your knee, close your eyes, keep your breathing normal. Try to concentrate on your breathing. Relax your breathing. Slowly take breath and slowly take out. Try to concentrate on your breathing. Now take breath 3 times. Okay. And exhale through nose. Now inhale. And exhale through nose. Inhale. Exhale. Final times. Inhale. Exhale. Now relax. Keep your breathing normal. Okay. And place your palms. Make your palms together and place your palms on your chest. Okay. Now 3 times Omkar chanting. Try to keep your spine straight and tuck your chin, not down. Okay. Look front and hold. Now 3 times Om chanting. Take breath now through nose. Inhale. 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 Now relax. Keep your breathing normal. Try to rub your palms. Try to make your palms warm. Close your eyes. Now place your palms on your eyes slowly. Don't scratch your eyeball. Try to feel warmness of palms on your face. Keep your breathing normal. Don't squeeze your cheeks. Now place your palms in front of your eyes. Slowly open your eyes and look at your palms. Namaste. Now sit like here. Okay. Make your knees parallel and place your hands on your waist like this. Don't push your elbow backward. Parallel to the shoulder. Now take breath then. Inhale. Neck movement, look up. And exhale. Tuck your chin on chest. Inhale. Up. Exhale. Down. Inhale. Up. Exhale. Down. Now final times. Inhale up and hold. 6. Stretch your throat. 5. Push your head backward. 4. Keep your breathing normal. 3, 2 and 1. Now exhale, come back, put your chin on chest and stretch your neck. 6, 5, push move. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now look front. Okay, now twisting. Take breathe. Now inhale and exhale. Turn your right side and look at your right side. Try to stretch your neck, okay, and try to put your chin on your shoulder if you can. If you cannot, just simply here. Now inhale, exhale, left. Inhale, exhale, right. Inhale, exhale, left. 2 more times. Inhale, exhale, right. Inhale, exhale, left. Final times. Inhale and exhale, right, and hold. 6. Try to make parallel to your shoulder, your chin. 5. Keep your breathing normal. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now inhale and exhale, left. 6. Try to put pressure on your neck. 5. And try to stretch your neck and twist your neck. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now inhale. Okay, now this time we'll use our hand to twist our neck. So first, place your right palm under your chin like this here. Okay, not like this. Okay, under your chin, and place your left hand on your head. So you can easy to move. Okay, crack your neck. Now take breathe. Inhale and exhale. Same twist like this and hold on. 6. Try to use your palm, right palms to push your chin up, and use your left hand to pull your head down like this. Now hold on. 6, 5, stretch. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now inhale, same opposite direction, and exhale, same again, same way. Now hold on. 6, 5, stretch. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now inhale and exhale. Place your hands down. Now relax. Okay. Now simply rotation from right to left. Okay. Place your hands here, or you can push on your waist. Okay. What I feel like now. But keep your spine straight. Put your chin down and rotation from right side start. Now with normal breathing. Take breathe. Inhale and exhale. Now normal breathing start. Rotation. 1, 2, stretch your neck. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, opposite direction. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now look front. Okay, now start movement. So push your hip backward like this, but if you feel pain on your knee, so you can keep your knees straight. Okay, but if you cannot, or if you can, so try this one. Now sorry about that. Place your hands now shoulder level. Take breathe. Inhale and exhale. Place your hands on the mat and right hand up. But if you cannot, so you can use blocks to put your hand here and stretch your shoulder like this. Now inhale and exhale. Same. Left. Push to your left side and look up. Inhale. Exhale. Right and look up. Try to stretch your shoulder, but don't push your shoulder loudly. Okay. Up. Try to make your shoulder parallel. Now inhale and exhale. Down, up. Now 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Right. Look up. Inhale. Exhale. Left. Look up. Now final times. Inhale and exhale. Right. Okay, try to push your shoulder inside and both shoulder parallel to each other and look up. Now hold. 6. Look up. Look at your palm. 5. Twist your belly. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay. And then after finish this one and then place your left hand on the mat like this. But if you cannot, so you can use blocks to put your shoulder down here and place your hands up and hold. 6. Twist your belly. 5. Hold on everybody. 4. Look up. 3, 2 and 1. Now inhale again. Up. Okay, and exhale. Place your left hand. So right hand here and left hand up. Look up now. Hold. 6. Look at my shoulder position. Okay. Try to make it. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay. Now put your right hand, left hand down and right hand here. Put your shoulder down like this and look up now. Hold. 6. Twist your belly and twist your shoulder together. 5, 4. Look at your right left palm. 3, 2 and 1. Okay. Now relax. Simply up. Now relax your shoulder. Okay. Now again twist. Okay. Same. Place your hand shoulder level. Now take breathe. Inhale and exhale. Place your right hand backward. Okay, behind your hip. Okay, you can see my hands like this. And use your left hand here and twist your spine. But if you cannot, so you can block. So put your hands on and look back. Then inhale and exhale. Same left side. Place your hands backward. Twist your belly. Twist your shoulder together. Now inhale. Exhale. Right. Twist. Inhale. Exhale. Left. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Right. Inhale. Exhale. Left. Now final times. Inhale. Okay, put your hands down. Wait for me. Okay, look at me. Place your left leg on your place your right leg on your left thigh like this. Okay, here like this. But if you cannot, so you can use strap to hold your leg. If you can do without strap. Okay, let me show you something. First, place your hands here, interlock. Now place your hands and then inhale and exhale. Place your right hand backward. Okay, and catch your toe like this here. And use your left hand to catch your knee and twist your spine. But if you cannot, you can't able to catch your leg. Here, second option for you. Okay, use strap to hold your leg and place your hands here, twist that like this. Okay, and then here, twist your spine, look back, now hold. 6, keep your spine straight. 5, suck your belly in and try to put pressure on your left shoulder so you can easily twist. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now inhale and exhale down. Okay, and this time again we will do twisting. So first put your legs on your thigh, okay, but your ankle, okay, not your foot. Okay, like put your ankle here. Okay, your knee should be up like this, and place your right hand on your right foot like this here. Okay, twist, and then keep your spine straight like this. Okay, like this, and then put your palms here, twist your upper back, put your palms on your chest and look up, now hold. But if you can't, so you can use a block to put your hands like this. Okay, now same, place your hands here, twist your spine and look up, now hold. 6, twist your belly. 5, keep your breathing normal. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now this time keep your right hand straight, okay, put on the mat like this or on the floor, and place your left hand backward, twist your spine, look back, now hold. 6, 5, look at your left palm. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, then simply down and come back. Okay, now again same, place your left foot on your right thigh like this. Same things, if you cannot, so you can use strap to grip your leg. If you can, you can use without strap. Now place your hand shoulder level, take breathe, inhale and exhale, place your left hand backward, right hand here. Okay, take breathe, now inhale and exhale, twist your spine, use your right hand to pull your body backward. 5, 4, keep your spine straight. 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now look front and then come back, place your hands down. Okay, now this time place your foot on your thigh, okay, but not your ankle, and then place your left hand on your left foot like this. Okay, put your arm and then move your body left side, put your palms together and place your palms on your chest, look up, now hold. 6, 5, twist your upper back and twist your belly. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, then simply keep your left hand straight, okay, put your arm on your foot and right hand backward, look back and hold. 6, 5, look at your right palm. 4, 3, hold everybody. 2 and 1. Okay, now relax like this. Okay, now this time put your foot like this here. Okay, keep your spine straight. If you cannot, so you can keep your right knee straight, or if you can, so bend your right knee like this. Okay, it's up to you. And then place your legs here, keep your spine straight. Okay, look at me here, but try to put your hips down, okay, not up here, or you can pull hips and down here, okay, like this, and then suck your belly in first and then twist. Okay, then place your left hand backward, okay, right hand here, and put your leg down, then take breathe, inhale, lift your right hand up and exhale, pull, twist, okay, and lock with your arm and keep your right hand straight, look back, place your left hand backward, okay, not too far, closer, okay, parallel to shoulder level and look back. 6, twist your belly. 5, keep your spine straight. 4, try to put pressure on your chest and open up your chest, okay, expand your chest. 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now inhale up and exhale, put your hands down, simply second leg. Okay, simply second leg here. Move your right foot here. Okay, first pull your hips and hips down. Okay, then you place your right hand backward and suck your belly in first here. Okay, inhale and exhale, twist, place your hands backward. Now inhale, lift your left hand up, and exhale, lock with your arm or anklet like this. Use your hand, place your hands here, suck your belly in and look back. Now hold. 6, 5, twist more, 4, 3, your shoulders should be parallel to each other, 2 and 1. Okay, now inhale up and exhale, put your hands down. Okay, now open up your legs and relax your feet. Okay, now twist like this. So first, make your legs a little bit wider, okay, parallel to your hip, like this. Pull your toe in, okay, like this, and place your hands shoulder level. Take breathe, inhale, and exhale, place your right hand backward and left hand here, okay, and then twist your spine, okay, look back like this, okay, and then up and look back. Hold on here, or if you cannot, so you can use strap to grip your leg like this. Okay, now inhale and exhale, catch your left foot by right hand and now place your hands backwards. Inhale and exhale, same twist right side, look back, pull your toe in. Inhale, exhale, left. Inhale, exhale, right. Now final times. Inhale, exhale, left. Now one more times. Inhale and exhale, left and hold. 6, pull your toe in. 5, make your shoulder parallel to each other. 4, twist your upper part. 3, 2 and 1. Okay, then lift your leg up like this. Okay, catch here and look back. 6, 5, keep your spine straight. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, then simply down. Okay, now we will lie down on the chest. Place your hands here. Put your right hand here like this, and then simply move forward and put your chest down. Place your hands parallel or use your hand like this. Okay, now hold on. 6, 5, keep your breathing normal. 4, try to put your both shoulders down. 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now use your left hand, put here and come up. Okay. And now this posture is a little bit difficult, but you can do it. Okay, I'll give you 2 options to do it. First option is use your strap to hold your leg, okay, right leg, and place your right hand on the floor or on the mat. Okay, use your left hand to grip your right leg. Okay, and then simply pull your leg up to your spine and look at your back side, okay, like this. Okay, but if you can, so try this way. Okay, try this way. First, place your hands on the mat on the right hand, but not too far, not too close. Okay, parallel here, and then bend your right knee like this. Catch your right leg by left hand, and then take breathe, inhale and exhale. Then twist your spine, put your hips down and look left side. Now hold. 6, pull your toe in. 5, twist your spine. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, then simply bend and put your same right foot on your heel like this. Okay, and this should be 90 degree. But if you cannot, so you can use block to put your knee like this, over down. If you can, so no need. Okay, now take breathe. Now inhale and exhale. Place your same right arm here. Put pressure. Place your palm together and look up. Okay, and then look at me. Use your right hand on your chest, and if you can, so catch your left leg by left hand, and then twist your spine and look. But if you cannot, simply try this one and hold on. 6. Okay. 5. Twist your spine. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Okay, then simply down. Now, again start with left leg. So I move right side to show you left leg. So first make your legs parallel to each other and place your hands upon shoulder level. Now take breathe, inhale and exhale. Place your right hand on your left. Twist your spine, move your left hand backward and look back. Now hold. 6. Suck your belly and twist your belly. 5. Hold everybody. Okay, just listen to me. 4. Look back, open up your chest, expand your chest. 3, 2 and 1. Okay, then simply pull your leg up, twist your belly and look back. Now hold. 6. 5. Pull your right toe in. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, then simply down. Okay, move your body like this. Catch your left over right hand and use your left hand here. Put here, left foot forward. Take breathe, inhale and exhale. Simply down. Bend your left elbow to take support and simply down. Move forward. And then use you guys change your hand position and place your hand shoulder level. Now hold on. 6. 5. Twist your spine. 4. Put your both shoulder down. 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now simply up. Okay. Same again we will start with left leg. So I have to move left side to show you the left leg. So first, same again, if you cannot, so you can use strap to grip your leg and pull up your leg. But if you can, so in that situation, place your left hand forward like this. Okay, not too far. Then bend your left knee like this here. Okay, and use your right hand to catch your left leg. Then simply tight, twist your spine, put your hip down. Okay, not hip up, hip down and look back. Now hold. 6. Pull your toe. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, same. Bend your knee and put your leg on your right knee like this. Pull your toe and take breathe. Then inhale, open hands and exhale. Place your left hand on your left foot like this here. Okay, first palms together, look up and then put your hands on your chest and second hand here, catch your toe, look back. But if you cannot, so try this one. Okay, I'll show you this one first. Hold on. 6, 5. Use your belly, twist. 4. Use your hand to twist your belly. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now same, relax. Okay, now relax your both legs. Okay. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for further notification, so you will get the notification whenever I upload the video. And if you want me to make video for you, please follow me on Instagram or my Facebook page. You can see the name in the description or you can get the link in on the screen. So go and get it. Or if you want more classes, like if you want online classes, so you can message me on Instagram or Facebook page. I will reply you back as soon as possible. So now this time again, make your legs wider like this. Okay, wider than match. Okay, wider than normal position, and place your hands outside. Okay, but move your finger outside. Okay, not inside like this. Here, outside. Okay, according to the shoulder level, your hand should be. Now take breathe. Then inhale and exhale. Bend your first left side. Look at my leg position. Okay, 90 degree both legs, and look at your right side. Now inhale and exhale. Left. Inhale. Exhale. Right. Inhale. Exhale. Left. Inhale. Exhale. Right now you look for 2 more times. Inhale and exhale. Put your legs right side and look at your left side. Now inhale. Exhale. Left and look right. Final times. Inhale. Okay, and exhale. Put your leg right side and look at your left side. Now hold. 6, 5. Try to make your both knee 90 degree. 4, and try to put pressure on your here. 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now look at me. Same. Move your legs forward like this. Okay, 90 degree and push your body. Place your hands up and look at your right side. Now hold. 6. Okay, don't bend, don't make your knee like a wide, okay, like this, okay, parallel to each other, 90 degree. 5. Keep your hands straight. Try everyone. 4. I know you feel pain here, but hold it. Hold on. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now look at me. This time, place your both hands behind your back. Okay, like this. Place your both hands on your right side. Okay, like this, and drop your elbow here. Come on, look for it. Okay, put your hand on here. Okay, look at my leg position and drop your elbow and then look back and hold on here. 6, 5, push your belly. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now relax. Okay, then inhale, raise your hands up and exhale, put your hands down. Okay, now opposite direction after turn around like this. Okay, make your legs wider like this here. And then take breathe now. Inhale, move your hands backward and exhale, put your legs left side. Okay, here, look at your right side now, hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now this time, move your hands forward. Okay, and try to put pressure here. I know you feel pain here, but do it. Okay, hold it. So twist your spine, look back, and then inhale, raise your hands up. Look up now, hold. 6, 5, keep your hands straight, up, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now put your hands down. Okay, now this time I will do twisting. So first from left side. Okay, this is my left leg and right leg, this one. Take breathe now. Inhale and exhale, twist your hands. Okay, look at your back side. Put your elbow down like this here. Okay, twist your belly and spine together and look back now, hold. 6, 5, push up your shoulder. 4, 3, 2 and 1 now. 7. Inhale, raise your hands up and exhale, put your hands down. Okay, open up your legs and relax your legs. Now you will do again twist your first, bend your both knee like this here. Your leg should be parallel to your hip. Okay, like this, not too wider, not too close. Okay. And let me show you. So first, whenever you do this posture, don't make your knee together. Okay, your knee should be parallel. Okay, and your body should twist from your chest and belly, not from your hip. Okay, not from your leg. Let me show you something and then do it again. Okay, then do it together. First look at me, then try. Put your elbow down here. Okay, like this. Look at my hand position. Okay, like this here. Your hand should be 90 degree. If you put your hands a little farther like this, you cannot do it. Okay, you feel pain on your shoulder. So keep in mind, make your shoulder parallel to your hands like this here. Okay, and then catch your right elbow by left hand here. Okay, then take breathe. Inhale lift your hip up. Okay, look at my leg position and then twist your belly and twist your shoulder like this. Okay, don't make your knee together, don't push your hip forward. Okay, up equal, okay, parallel to each other like this. Okay, and exhale down. Okay, like this. So now start. Make your legs parallel. Try it, everybody. Now make your hands parallel to shoulder like this. And exhale, place your hands behind your back, put your shoulder down and catch your shoulder. Okay, first inhale here, inhale and exhale up like this. Look back. Same again. Now inhale, down and exhale, place your hands backwards, catch here, then inhale and exhale, lift your hip up and look back. Same. Inhale, front and exhale, place your right hand backward like this, hold on, lift your hip up, okay, and look back here. Now inhale and exhale, same, right, catch here, lift your hip up, look back. Now inhale, exhale, left, catch here, lift your hip up. Now final times. Inhale, okay, and exhale. This time, look at me, okay. When you say final times, look at me, okay, and listen to me. So first, make your, okay, focus on your leg. Your leg should be parallel to your hip, okay, like this. And put your elbow down, okay. Your elbow should be inside, okay, not outside. Look at my hand position, okay. And make your feet parallel. And then this time don't catch your wrist. This time try to put your palms, left palm down on the mat, okay, like this way. So look at me first. Then inhale and exhale, lift your hip up as much as possible and then try to put your hands down, okay, twist your upper back. Now hold on like this. Okay, do you understand? Okay, so let's do it. Now make your hands parallel. Take breath. Inhale and exhale. Place your hands here. Okay, put your second hand down. Make your hand, let's go close a little bit and then now inhale and exhale, lift your hip up and hold. Try to put your shoulder down and hands down. 6, 5, lift your hip up. 4, look back. 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now relax, down. Same opposite direction. If you feel pain on your shoulder, so you can move your shoulder like this. Okay, relax your shoulder. Same. Now let's start with second one. So same position, sit down, keep your spine straight and place your hands parallel to the shoulder. Like take breath. Inhale and exhale. Place your left hand down here, behind your back like this. Okay. Use your right hand to put here. Now take breath. Inhale and exhale. Lift your hip up as much as possible and then try to put your right hand down and hold. 6, lift your hip up. 5, twist your shoulder. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay. Now relax. And this time, now relax your leg. Now, look at me here. Lie down on your back. Okay, make your legs wider and relax your back. Now, same, bend your both knee. Okay. Place your hands shoulder level like this, parallel to the shoulder, and then move your left foot inside and right foot on your hip like this. Here. Okay. First hip up and hip down, then twisting. Okay. So place your hands next to your hip like this. Put your right leg, don't lift your knee up. Put your right leg here parallel to your left leg. Place your hands and now take breathe there. Inhale, lift your left and hip up. And exhale, down. Try to focus on your lower back. Then inhale, lift your hip up. And exhale, down. Inhale, lift your hip up. Exhale, down. 2 more times. Inhale, lift your hip up. Exhale, down. Now final times. Then inhale, lift your hip up and hold. 6, 5. Try to put pressure on your right thigh muscle. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now relax. Okay, and then place your hands next to your shoulder, like the parallel to the shoulder. Okay, move your left foot outside like this. Okay, look at me. Take breathe, inhale and exhale. Put your right foot down and left knee down on the floor. And look at your left side. Okay, look at your left hand and hold. 6, twist your lower back. 5, try to put your both knee down. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now inhale up, move your foot here, place your legs here, okay, and then hug your right knee and look up, put your chin on knee. Now hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now relax. Same, hands down or legs down. Same again with second leg. Put your left foot on your right thigh and place your hands next to your hip. Okay, you put your shoulder down and neck down also. Now take breathe there. Inhale, lift your hip up and exhale, down. Now inhale, lift your hip up, exhale, down. 2 more times. Inhale, lift your hip up, exhale, down. Now final times. Inhale, lift your hip up and hold. 6, 5, push more. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Simply down. Okay, then place your hands next to your shoulder like this, parallel to the shoulder. Okay, and move your right foot outside like this. Okay, now take breathe. Inhale and exhale. Put your knee down, everybody. Down. Okay, I know you will feel pain on your thigh muscle and knee and hip. Okay, lower back, but try to put your knee down. Okay, here, put your knee down and look at your right palm. Now hold. 6, twist your spine. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now inhale up, move your right foot inside and bend your left knee, hug your left knee like this and head up, put your chin on knee. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now relax. Open your legs. Okay, like this. Relax your leg. Now bend your both knee, hug your knee and sit up. Okay, like this. Bend your both knee. Now place your palms on your knee, make chin mudra. Same, relax your shoulder and close your eyes. Try to keep your breathing normal. Try to concentrate on your breathing. Slowly take breathe and slowly take out. Try to full focus on your breathing. Throw out negative thoughts from your mind. Relax your shoulder. Slowly take breath through your lungs and exhale through your nose slowly. Now, okay, relax. Now 3 times Omkar chanting. Relax your breathing. Now place your palms on your chest. 3 times Omkar chanting again. Take breath now. Inhale through nose. Inhale. Inhale. Now relax. Keep your breathing normal. Now rub your palms. Try to make your palms warm. Now place your palms on your eyes. Slowly. Don't scratch your eyeball. Try to feel warmness of palms on your face. Now place your palms in front of your eyes. Slowly open your eyes and look at your palms. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me, and let me know about this class in the comment below or on my Instagram ID. So until now, from next week again I'll upload one more video. Okay, that video will be a little bit difficult from this class, but I will give you more option to perform those postures. So see you next Saturday with a full knowledgeable video, Saturday or Sunday with a full knowledgeable video. And if you enjoy this video, please like and comment. If you think this video is really helpful, please share with your family members and help others to be fit. So see you next week. Until then, keep learning, keep applying, and be healthy. Hare Krishna.